What's up, Back Pain 4 here. I finally got USSRanch back in my possession. So what happened was, after the last video you saw, the transmission wasn't shifting, it was out of gear, and it was we theorized it was one of two possibilities. Actually, it was a mix of everything. So what happened was, those lines I got were, the ones that those stage 4 ones I had were too small, so they were causing overpressure in the valve body, which was causing it just to stay in third, and a bunch of other issues. So what happened was, left it there. We got new metal lines put in. There's normal manual bent ones that run to the front. Just follow underneath the frame right there. It comes up to an industrial cooler right here. That's what's going on there. Now what I'm going to be doing is put this guy in. So the main thing I got to put in today is this little accessory charging point, because yeah, I'm not going to worry about rewiring this anytime soon. It's whatever. I need that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get these ones in. I'll wire it in. It has an inline fuse already, but I'm just gonna take this out since I already have a fuse block and just wire it into there. I was thinking about putting it here, but the problem is, are the vents open? No, the vents, okay, yeah, that vent tube's still in there. I'll probably stick it right here, because I'm not putting the glove box in anytime soon. I'll probably just put a block plate on it or something, because the cardboard bit that's the glove box kind of disintegrated. And I didn't take pictures of what the door was, so I can't put the door back on. So I'm just gonna probably just place this right here, probably off the edge here. Then I can run wires up this way to the phone charger and whatnot. It's gonna end up going right there. And I'll just run all the wires through the hole here right next to the fuse block and go from there. We got bolted in. They're just 3 little adapters. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wire this bitch up, tuck this wire back in there. Alright, we got it hooked up. So what's going on over here? It's chilling like right here, bolted in, well, tapped in. Screw there. Got it this way. Ran the wires to the firewall. Hooked it up to the number 7 on the fuse block using a 15 amp fuse. So that's the inline fuse on that was a 15 amp, so I used a 15 amp blade fuse to simplify it. Then I got the ground wired on the last one here, so now I gotta start doubling up on grounds. This shouldn't be too much of an issue. Now, the main purpose of today's trip to the shop isn't for electrical, it's for Spintech 9000 series single chamber. Got 2 of those. Let's see. This is what I run on the Trans Am, so I'm always curious what it sounds like. These right here are the tips that I put on the Firebird when I did the Cherry Bomb exhaust in like 2012, 2013. I saved them. They're 2.5, and what I'm thinking, the way I'm gonna put them on is they're gonna be like the center line. Oh, okay. So the center line of the mufflers is gonna be, the tailpipe's gonna be right here, the jack point, and I was thinking like something like this, that, or recess a little bit, one there and one over there, and that'll be good to go. All right, so I got everything hooked up. It works, it functions correctly. The idea is now my speedometer cable's still busted because I didn't feel like ripping all this shit apart to change it out the wire today, but I got next best thing. I got my old phone here with one of those GPS speedometers that still works, and we're just gonna roll with that just temporarily so I don't accidentally speed. And it's pretty accurate. It's done pretty good. So yeah, I'm check the oil's running good. I'm just gonna warm it up a little to do a cold start, the final open air cold start, and get that recorded for you guys, and we'll get this shit rolling. Park it right there at the tree because he's right here.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure you heard that.
Bro, I can't even hear my shit. I don't my
I don't have a bald spot. I don't have a bald spot. Just so you guys know, I don't have a bald spot. He got chopped by the Datsun over there, by the way. Got chopped. Got chopped. Yo, 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 what's up? It's your homie, Dre. We out here at Freaking Way, Mufflers.
Here, tell the audience what's going on here. So I'm
All
about
right, so
220.
get this, right? The Datsun came with 90-pound per inch springs in the back.
Oh god, it's actually on the sidewall and shit. I'm 220. Tony, how much do you weigh, you think? About 230? 240? 40?
Yeah, and I'm about 350.
I think we're exceeding this vehicle's weight capacity.
Yeah, that's 800.
They're full of shit. They say 8. Okay, 800 in its prime.
Lean that way.
Ow. Lean that way. Ow. Okay, I'm on a roller coaster. Oh shit, I don't want to do that. Better?
You know, bounce up and down. Yeah, it's bottomed out. It ain't gonna do shit.
Rick.
Oh shit. This better not bend badly. I'm sorry, Shelby. If I break your diff, I'm sorry.
But just don't do any hole shots then.
Don't do any hole shots, huh? Who the fuck put the rock in my seat? He's
Don't-
yard duty and a cop. Not really. She's a cross. Oh Jesus Christ! This is gonna be interesting. See? Told you.
What?
I told you that bar's gonna kill you. Oh, this is dangerous as fuck.
I know.
You thought this was a good idea? Oh wait, me. Because I'm the one that told him.
Yeah, because if you didn't text me and say you wanted to come, hey, but you helped all of us here help put the exhaust in. So, oh shit. Oh shit.
God damn it! What the fuck was that?
I told you it's bottomed out.
Rest in peace, Shelby suspension.
It's a third.
Is it struggling?
That's floored.
That's floored.
No,
Okay.
that's
Oh shit. Yeah, we didn't want to take all the shit off the Datsun to drive it, so we just borrowed the van. Tony's not amused.
He lied. We couldn't take the Datsun.
Is it going?
Okay, come on
dip down.
Yeah.
The reason for that is you come down low enough, you can see this whole pipe from the side.
Like the Fox bodies did that, yeah.
That's how we used to do rancheros. What do you think? Is there sound on that?
Yeah.
I'm amazing.
This is the only thing I was worried about. Is I'm like, is there going to be enough room once you get in? But I'm like, oh yeah, if it was 3-inch, it'd be kind of touchy. But that's fine. Yes.
About to lose all of his fucking money. Every last dime.